What's up, Josh with Turo here. It's freezing outside, but I am at this wheel replacement place where they fix rims and tires because, you know, we got damage to these Audi rims. See that? Looking pretty, if you can see it, looking pretty bad. Then we got the other one. It's right here. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah. So I'm out here, I was looking online trying to find a replacement. These Audi rims are OEM, meaning straight from the manufacturer, so no one has them. And it was like one company that did have them, but they were out of stock when I tried to order it. They were like $500-600 each. So this is an alternative and, you know, cheaper, save the guests a little bit of money because they have to pay to fix it. And, you know, it is what it is, but these are the small things that happen. Can't let it stop you. You know, you get it fixed and keep moving forward. Other than that, I'm gonna walk into this place, get these rims fixed because I do have a booking for this vehicle coming up shortly. So get it done, get the car clean, and send it on out. All right, let's get it. Let's see. Oh, this. All right, thanks.